all, namaste. Amma, we forgot our intro.
Hey all, namaste.
I'm Harshita.
I'm Mohna.
And welcome to our channel.
Helton Diaries. Hi all.
What's up? Hope you are doing good.
It's been so long since we are vlogging. So I just got done with my exams and Harshita has
Completed my college.
which is crazy.
I know. I keep getting reality check. Okay, I'm done with college.
Yeah, that's so crazy. So she had an internship a few months back.
Yeah, I also had my internship. Like for the past 5 months, I had been interning, but I'm done with that as well. And I did have a hectic time because I
Yeah.
also had to manage like college graduation projects and stuff like that.
Submissions and then
Yeah.
internship on the other hand.
So finally done with all of those, and we
Yes.
are back at vlogging, guys.
Yeah.
Feels so good.
Yeah, but we haven't posting YouTube shorts to stay consistent. But now we're also gonna stay consistent posting vlogs.
So on the last day of my internship, I was randomly recording videos of all of us, and then I decided to combine it all and then make it a vlog. So here is a mini vlog of the last day of my internship and also the next day. So do check it out, guys. Okay, but before that, so sorry because the clarity on the first few videos is so bad because I didn't decide to vlog that day. So I didn't carry the mobile that I usually use for vlogging. So I used my mobile. But yeah, don't mind the clarity. This is where I sit. This is Badri. This is Sahadev. Make that face again. And he is my mentor, by the way. Shit. Hey, we should do our handshake. We have our handshake. 1, 2, 3, 4. I realized I never took a vlog here. This is my seat. This is Badri. Oh, sorry, this is Ajay. This is Ajay. Badri.
This is my Mendel.
Vent. Come say hi.
Ooh,
Vlog.
I have work. Bye. Oh,
So today is my last day. I'm
bye
leaving.
guys.
This is my glass that I always drank. My
This is my glass.
green tea.
എന്തിലും പണി ഉണ്ടാക്കി Do some work. Yeah, go fill the water. Go. Go. ഇത് കളഞ്ഞിട്ട് വീണ്ടും ഫില്ല് ചെയ്തു.
Okay, all of these are Mallus. They are Mallu gang. I'm able to understand Malayalam, by the way. Are you guys gonna miss? Or you're like happy? No more interns. Oh. I'm gonna cut you off in the vlog. I was about to call him for lunch. Homemade lunch.
The thought of driving to your home makes me not to.
It's really far. It's like 40 minutes from here, but because of the traffic, 1 hour.
40 minutes become so close.
Brother, if you travel inside this
It's
city
Bangalore,
itself,
come on. This is our room, by the way. This is the creative room where all the graphic designer, creative team works. At the end of the vlogs, I say one thing. You have to
Bye.
No.
Miss you, Chellakutti. Bye. Oh.
Around like 3:45. Can you stop disturbing?
How many seconds are there in a minute?
85.
Awesome.
Correct?
Harshita, I would highly recommend you to start looking for a job right now.
This is Sri Lakshmi. She's into copywriting.
Okay, രണ്ട് അല്ല
You're gonna miss this so much. Oh. But he's a good guy. Say hi.
Hi.
He's so shy. He's so shy.
എല്ലാവർക്കും നമസ്കാരം സുപ്രഭാത്
Okay.
ദിസ് ഇസ് ഹർഷിത and we loved her so much we're gonna miss her keep it nuts
Come out for a walk. After lunch, at times we keep walking. I'm gonna miss these walks so much. A lot of them didn't come to the office because it's raining heavily in Bangalore, so they just wanted to work from home. So all the girls are at home, a lot of them. For coffee, I will pay. I'm treating them. But this is not the actual treat. It will be at home. It just rained and it stopped. But I'm gonna leave before it starts raining heavily because, you know, again, traffic. My favorite street, guys. There's so much greenery and I just love to walk here. It's so breezy here, and when it starts raining, it's the best. You know, we had this cherry blossom here. It was so pretty. I had a video of that day. Thank you, Sahadev, for mentoring and actually bearing all my torture, I guess. This is me. Yeah, that's me. This is also me because I wear this huge specs. Okay, we'll do it again. We have this thing. Bye. So guys, I finally boarded the auto. I'm actually feeling a little emotional right now. It's the next day and guess where I'm going? I am going to Square Burgers. So Square Burgers, it's a cafe, and guess why I'm going there? I designed a few visions for them when I was working, and I'm about to see them live. I've seen them in pictures, but after it's been put up, I've never gone there. So I am so excited right now, and I'm also gonna meet Sahadev, my mentor, and Nidhi, and Ravi. He's the co-founder of the place where I was working at. So I'm very happy again, like I'm able to meet them again today. Also, guys, I've started using the mic. I've not used this before at all. Like when I was vlogging, we've never used mic, but today I finally started. I don't know how it sounds. I think it's little too clear, but I think it's good, right? Right? I don't know. Let's hope it's good. It's been ages since I've vlogged, guys, and it feels good to be back. I just want to be consistent from now on, and I just want to post so much that you guys get bored of it. I guess. Guess what happened, guys? I literally booked to the wrong location, and then I confirmed the location again and went back like 20 minutes, and this was so close to my house. I traveled so far. I reached the right location, guys, finally. So this is the Padukone Dravid Center for Sports Excellence. The Square Burgers Cafe is here. Finally, oh my god, I spent like 30 minutes extra. This place is so beautiful. So this place is basically a sports complex. It includes different courts for different sports like tennis, badminton and football, etc. This is the place, guys. I think that's Square Burgers. I'm guessing that's that. Guys, my first poster spotted. God. Hi guys. I'm here with my camera again. This is another poster. So I'm going to give you a small introduction of what I do. I just completed my bachelor's degree in graphic design. Giving you a gist of what graphic design is. So we create logos and visual concepts for brands. We do marketing and advertising. We design books and a lot more. So while interning, I got the opportunity to work on Square Burgers, this cafe, and I designed these posters for them. Me with my posters. So I had also worked on the menu. The one on the left is the existing one. The one that I'm showing on my mobile is the redesigned version, but it will go live in a few more days. I ordered paneer burger, and as you can see, they offer square shaped burgers. So fun. It's like I'm a food blogger. Oh my god, let's taste it. So many layers. Square burger. So you all, this is Ravi.
Hi.
And he's the co-founder of Origami, and I got the opportunity to work on a lot of creators for SPC, for Square Burgers, and I can't thank him enough.
It was fun having you with us, Ashika.
Thank you
Awesome
so
work.
much. And do check out Square Burgers. Yeah, they had
Do that.
yeah, they have amazing food. So what do you want to say about Square Burgers?
it's square, not round.
Yeah.
It's different because we always say why not.
Why not?
Please come, just come.
Her parting gift. Come on. Okay. We are finally done with our lunch, and I had such good time. And seeing my work, oh my god. I'm gonna get Aman and I'm gonna get everyone I know. I will pin the location so you guys can check it out. I'm going back home. I see so many people playing so many different sports that it makes me wanna play something. I wanna learn playing tennis, badminton, or football, anything. So my auto is here. I'm just leaving now. The weather is kind of sunny. So y'all, that is it for this one. Thank you so much for watching. Until the next video,
Love, peace, and happiness.
So before I end, I just want to add a few best memories from my internship.
ഒറ്റ വരി മതി അതേ നടക്കുള്ളൂ.
No, wait.
You are not even
I am colored.
little bit. See if you shake.
One second.
Shake for. Hi, Suparna.